What's going on? It's Kate Kozich here, and I'm standing next to the Samsung OLED TV. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kate, Samsung makes QLED. Samsung is the quantum dot king. Well, Samsung has actually been cooking up a way to combine the quantum dot technology with an OLED panel, and the result is, well, this right here. Let's go take a closer look. Meet the Samsung S95B OLED 4K Smart TV, or better known as one of the most talked about TVs of the year. Available in 55-inch and 65-inch sizes, this set is Samsung's re-entry into the OLED market. Though it's not a total surprise, we've known Samsung is working on something called QD-OLED for some time now. In the simplest terms, the technology promises to combine the best picture elements of quantum dot and OLED in a marriage that makes total sense if you think about it. OLED notoriously struggles with brightness, with the white subpixels at high brightness levels hurting color volume and in the worst case scenario causing OLED burn-in. But by eliminating the white subpixel and supporting an OLED panel's brightness with added quantum dots, QD-OLED should get the picture to a point of more LCD-like brightness while maintaining those perfect inky blacks that I and many others love about OLED. And from my time checking out Samsung's OLED/QD-OLED, the range seems to be there. I watched some samples, paying close attention to both how the picture looks as a whole, but also how the set's neural quantum processor handles contrast and other key controls. It maintained a clear definition in the stock reel, and we got a good tease of how real depth enhancement establishes the foreground and background. The off-angle viewing is pretty impressive too, not gonna lie. Moving beyond this panel, which is almost impossibly thin, I might add, the S95B's audio processing is pretty comprehensive too, with support for Samsung's object tracking sound and Q Symphony with Dolby Atmos. As you might know, Samsung has held out on Dolby Atmos for quite a while now, so we're glad it's finally here, even if it's overdue. Sound is one of those things that will require longer, more in-depth testing to truly review, and the same goes for things like max brightness, color accuracy, lag time, so just keep that in mind. Meanwhile, the Tizen Smart platform will take care of smart TV features, and it looks a bit different this year, and not just because of the new NFT marketplace, but there's a gaming hub, a watch together co-watching feature, and more. Plus, you can upgrade to the Eco Remote that has a rechargeable battery pack and can be topped off via solar panel. There you have it, your first look and my hands-on impressions of the Samsung OLED TV. The 55-inch configuration costs $2,200, while the 65-inch configuration costs $3,000. They're both available to pre-order now, though I know I'd like to do some hands-on testing with this set first. Be sure to be on the lookout for a full review of the Samsung OLED TV, and just head over to Tom's Guide for all things home entertainment, reviews, how-tos. You know we got you covered. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.